Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, and also I want to say congratulations for checking out this course. In this course we're going to be learning the basics of React, and we're going to scale up to more advanced uh, topics on React. And at the end of the course we're going to be building a huge project. In fact, I don't want to say at the end of the course, because as we're building the project we're going to be learning a lot. So this is not going to be a boring course where I'm going to be showing you slides and going back and forth through the documentation. I'm going to be guiding you through everything I know, because I've worked with React professionally, and all the journey I went through, that's the same thing I'm going to be giving to you guys. All right, so without any further ado, what is React? I guess you already know what React is. You might have seen it coming up in some requirements for some job, and I know you know that React is a single page application framework. Actually, it's a library built on top of React, and it was developed by the Facebook team. Okay, so why it's not a framework is because it can't actually compete with things like Angular, because React actually gives you the flexibility and the freedom to do what you want. So all you need to do is just write your code well, and everything should work for you. So there's no hands-on guide to say, okay, this is how you must do things, unlike Angular and other frameworks like that. So that's the cool thing about React. You don't need to actually go step by step based on principles. You can just bring your own ideas. As long as you're writing your code well, everything should work out for you. Alright, so that's by the way, and without any further ado, let's have install React on our machine. So the first thing you need to do is to have Node.js and npm installed. That is going to be a requirement for taking this course, and I know that should already be in your machine. If not, just go to the Node.js website and download the latest version of Node. Okay, so as at least the version that should be the minimum to follow through with this course should be version 12 of Node. I think currently it's on version 16, so if you can get from 12 above, that'll be fine for this course. All right, so now I need you to go to your development environment, your terminal, and go to that folder that you feel like you want to start coding React from there right on. So I'm going to be creating I've created a folder called YouTube projects, and this is where I'm going to create the React application. So I want you to type along with me everything I type right now. So you just type in npx create hyphen react, if I can type that properly, app, and I'm going to call it intro to React. Alright, so once you click enter, then it should ask you, are you sure you want to install create React app? All you need to do is just type enter, since Y for yes is the default answer, and once you're done, everything should install fine. So I'm going to press enter right now and actually skip through the whole thing, and once it's installed, I'll get back to you. Alright, so if you see all these things on your screen, especially when you see happy hacking, I guess, yeah. So this is to show that React, this folder intro to React is a full-fledged React application, if I have to put it that way. So let's follow through the instructions. So the first thing we need to do is to change directory into that place and start our server. So cd into intro React, and I'm going to run npm start. So that should start up my development server and should open my browser as well. So you just give it a few moments. That should boot up the server, and it should attempt to open up my browser. We have this in our browser. So if you see this, you know that your React app is fully booted and there was no issue. All right, so we're going to see this command, this instruction right here, which says we should edit app.js, but I want to explain more on that before we edit that file. Alright, so that's going to be it for this lecture, and let's keep things rolling. I'll see you in the next one.